I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can connect any apps to Cursor. Now, Cursor has a feature. You can check here on File and on Preference, on Cursor Settings, on Features. You want to scroll down. There is a thing called MCP server. Now, basically, this allows Cursor to communicate with any open source servers, right? And I have a database or repository here full of MCP server. It's called Llama.ai/mcp/servers, right? And I'm going to show you an example of how to add one of these servers and integrate it to Cursor. Now, for example, here, I'm going to search for something called Docker, right? I'm going to type in Docker and I'm going to type in enter. Now, let's find Docker MCP here, Docker. Now, the way that we integrate each MCP server might be a little bit different, right? So, for example, here on Docker, on the code here, there's something called UVX and the command is called docker.mcp. Now, as you know, UVX is an outside package outside of Python, right? So if you don't have UVX installed, you'll need to install it. I'm going to show you how to install UVX. So from UVX here, if you go to the repository here, which is py.org project UVX, you can see that there is a command input here, pip install UVX. You just have to paste this into your terminal. I'm going to click on copy. And on Cursor, I'm going to paste this in, pip install UVX, and it'll install UVX on our system here. So our command can run well. You can see this is already installed. You can see I already have UVX installed, so we're all good. Now for this one as well, you might need to install the command for docker.mcp, but I'm going to skip that step because I already have it installed. I'm going to go to Cursor now. I'm going to go to Features and MCP server. I'm going to click on Add New MCP server. And on this name, it can be whatever. It's just a variable name. So I'm just going to call it Docker. On the type, make sure it's command because we're installing it via command, right? So this is a command. Now you can see the command is called UVX and then docker.mcp. So the way we're going to type this is UVX and then docker.-mcp. After that, just click on add and it'll run a prompt like this and it'll be connected. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.